Alright, so now the name of the game is getting your time traveler cut out of picture and remove the background. So you want to get this person out of here and place into this photograph. Well, in order to do that, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need the quick selection tool, and you're also going to need the magnifying glass tool to zoom in. Now, if you hold the Alt key down and click, it'll zoom back out. Okay. Or you can just use these buttons here. The little magnifying glasses up here will help you zoom in and out. They're right there. Okay. All right. So, quick selection tool. Let's talk about it. Here it is. So I've got it. When you're using the quick selection tool, you can subtract from a selection, and then you can also add to a selection. You can even change the size of the quick selection brush. What it does is it selects things in a smart way. So the computer will kind of automatically sort of go around what it is that you want. So you can see that it's quickly going around this, and it's kind of using the center blocks and the tiles to find the edges there. Okay. So see what I'm doing? I'm just kind of, oops. Now that's a problem. Okay. So I would take my subtract from selection tool here, pull this back out. Okay. So I very quickly grab my foot back and then put the foot back there. Okay. Now I'm going to use my magnifying glasses and zoom in here. So I'm going to increase that. So let's take a look at some of the details here. I'm going to go back to my quick selection tool, and I want to add to the selection here and get this dialed in just right. Now, in order to get in this little pocket here, I'm going to hold my shift key down, and it just brings the stuff in. Okay. So actually, I'm going to step backwards. Okay. So you see how I brought that little pocket in? I'm just going to click shift and then add to the selection. Okay. Now I'm going to take the selection here and pull out on the hand like that. Okay. Looks pretty good. Well, I notice my behind is not there, so I'm going to subtract that out. Oops. And that went all the way to the brick, so I'm going to bring that back in. Okay. You just have to play around with it and just be delicate. So you're going to toggle back and forth, plus and minus there, until you get it going the way that you want it. Okay. Getting close. There we go. Alright, so let me get that last little bit right here in my pants. There we go. Alright. Just a little bit right there too. Check the shoes. Shoes look good. Everything's looking great. Now I'm going to go up here. I'm going to click select inverse. And what that's going to do is it's going to select everything inside of the quick selection tool. Basically me, the time traveler, and I'm going to go to edit, copy. Then I'm going to go toggle over here to my other photo, and I'm going to click edit, paste. Okay. Now you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, Mr. Meta, that's ginormous. Well, go up to edit, and then you can go to transform, and then scale. And scale it down. So think about the scale of your image and how it relates to here. Now you can see I've got another little layer right here that I was working on, so I'm going to turn that off. Okay. So here's my time traveler in my photo now. Now one thing to think about is make sure your time traveler is holding some kind of piece of technology to let the viewer know that they're not from the time. Okay? So that's how to put your time traveler in your photo. So good luck.